Hey, hi, how are you? My name is Tay, and today we are jumping back into episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. The last episode, Denji was put with his new partner, Power, who is also a devil, and we see she's very like charismatic and goofy and just like all over the place. And in the last little bit of the episode, she was like attacking a devil that they saw from like, the rooftops of a building. So I'm definitely anxious to see what's going to happen next because she's just like very chaotic. And I think Denji is trying to really just like get in good with this organization because, he's never really had anything and he wants to feel like he belongs, number one, I think, and also the boob thing. And then he also wants to, be able to eat and just like normal necessities that you should be allowed to have. So I definitely think that he is like really trying hard. But he also kind of has that like I don't care attitude, but he's also young, so I can see why. So we will go ahead and jump in, but before we do, please don't forget to hit that subscription button down below, and we will go ahead and start.
Only for mature audiences. Viewer discretion advised.
民間が手をつけた悪魔を公安が殺すのは業務妨害。普通だったら逮捕されちゃうよ。パワーちゃんはもうちょっと考えて行動しないといけないね。デンジ君も彼女を制御しないと。
俺も
パワーちゃんは真面目になる
I'm
前
in
の
trouble
血の
too.
悪魔だったから、血を使った戦いが得意なんだけど、デビルハンターには向いてなかったのかな。こいつが殺せって言ったんじゃ。
はあ言ってねえ。よくそんな嘘が言えたもんだな。
嘘じゃないわい。言った。この人間が悪魔を殺せと言ったんじゃ。本当じゃ。
こわはあマキマさん、この悪魔嘘つきですぜ。逮捕だ逮捕。嘘なんとか罪で逮捕だてめえ。
違う、こいつがやれって言ったんじゃ。悪魔は嘘をつけない。嘘をつくのは人間だけじゃ。
なせてねえよ。てめえが証拠だバーカ。嘘野郎がよ。
人間は汚い嘘をつく。わしはやれって言われたんじゃ。
わしとキャラ作りやがってよ。気持ち悪いな。
静かにできる
Fighting like siblings. Oh no. Doing that shot right on her chest.
ジュース飲めるなんてよ、俺にとっちゃ夢みたいなことだぜ。だけどこのままヘマ続けたらジュース飲めなくなるどころの話じゃねえぞ。
Oh.
だからって嘘つき女と協力なんてできねえけどな。
人間は嫌いじゃん。人間がわしに何かしたからではない。悪魔の本能みたいなもんで嫌いなんじゃ。そして悪魔も嫌いじゃん。悪魔がわしの飼ってたニャーコを連れ去ったからな。
Oh.
ニャーコを取り戻す前にわしはマキマに捕まってしまった。荒れてるかもしれんが諦めきれん。わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら人間の味方でも何でもしてやる。猫ごときにとうぬには分からぬ感情じゃろうがな。
エコ食ったらねえな。俺は胸揉めるっつうことなら何でもできるけどよ。
That's like a dumb reason too, basically.
今から取り戻してくれたら胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
Yeah, he's gonna do that.
悪魔がよ、猫をよさらうなんてよ、そんなことは許せねえよな。
Oh no, he is too serious about
デビル
that.
ハンターとして許せねえ。そん悪魔俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ。
そこの家じゃ。あそこにニャーコと悪魔がいる。
はあ、じゃあさっさと行くか。貧血なるからチェーンソーにはなりたくねえな。
お？チェーンソー？
ああ、 俺チェーンソーなれんの？
人間の冗談は笑えんな。
あ？
おお、どうした？
てめえが姿を見せたら猫を人質にされんだろ。こんな近くまでついてきちゃダメでしょ。
おお、そういう設定じゃったが。
設定？
言い間違いじゃ。
What is she doing? Oh. Oh my god.
バカじゃが勘は良かったな。
He just can't get a break. Poor guy.
随分と私を待たせたな、血の悪魔よ。逃げたのかと思ったぞ。
文句を言うな。わしもやっと外に出られたんじゃ。望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ、コウモリ。
Ooh, and creepy eyes. Ew.
久しぶりの食事。
I like bats, but he's
若
creepy.
い男か、精力の出る血を飲めそうだな。この腕の傷を見ろ、人間。貴様らにつけられた傷、この私を隠れざるを得なくさせた忌々しい傷だ。
知るかバーカ。
食事が吠えるな。人間に刻まれた傷、人間の血で癒す。
Ugh.
まずい。まずい血で復活してしまったではないか。
Ugh.
口の中が気持ち
Long
悪い。
toenails.
他の人間で口直しをしなければ。
お前は悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか。
Yeah, no, he kind of sees they're
よく
always gonna
その
betray
話を
him.
信用できたもんじゃな。
Hmm.
やはり人間は愚かじゃ。
Now he's like double thinking that statement.
タバコの匂い、化粧と薬の匂い。
それマジ？やば。
悪くない匂いだな。口直しは子供に決めたぞ。
コウモリの悪魔。約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃ。ニャーコを返してもらう。
So he really does have her
そう
cat,
いう
but
話だったか。
oh.
ニャーコ。
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだだったな。
ニャーコ。
That's terrible.
猫にしてはうまそうな匂いじゃな。
Oh, poor baby.
ひょろいなりじゃのう。もう少し太らせてから食ってやるか。早く大きくなれ。ニャーコを殺すのが楽しみじゃな。
Gross.
目があったやつは全て殺してたからな。悲鳴じゃない声を聞くのは不思議な感じじゃな。
血の悪魔よ。血が足りない。猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。ウヌの気持ちが分かったぞ。
Oh.
ひどい気分じゃな。
What the hell?
うがいをした後は前妻に生娘だな。メインは肉好きのいい男。デザートは妊婦がいい。
That's awful. Oh, is he hanging on? Okay.
俺の胸返せ。
私の血を飲んでる。気持ち悪い。
Oh no.
貴様の血など飲む気も起こらんわ。
Good. Ooh. She's gonna be like, what the hell, when she sees that crazy sight.
バカが食っちまうぞ。
人を逃がした。悪魔のくせに何がしたいんだ。
てめえが腹裂いて。
Shit.
人間を逃がすようなやつに。これは切れるか。
チャンスを引っ込めれたな。
体にそぐわぬ怪力。その力でなぜ人間を助ける。
誰が助けたって。野郎の命なんざ知るか。
The way they animated him is so creepy.
まずは回復だ。タバコ臭い血だが今は許そう。なぜ生きてる。
残な目ばっかあってよ。我慢しかしてねえのに、まだ人もみもしてねえんだよ。
Oh no. He's determined. Shit. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, his guts everywhere. This show is so crazy. Okay, so this episode was crazy. Like, this whole show is just, like, chaotic and, like, kind of out there, but I like it. But, yeah, like, Power, like, tricking him into saving her cat because, you know, she promised him to feel up on her. that was I felt bad for him for a second. I was like, for Denji. I was like, oh no, like, that was terrible. But now I like feel bad for her because she like felt a connection with her cat, and then the devil stole him and just kind of like held him as a ransom, and I don't know, I just feel really bad for her. So, and then he like swallowed her, so that was just disgusting. He like ate her and the cat, so that was like but yeah, whoever like animates this show, they did a really good job making the bat creature or bat devil very creepy. He kind of like the way his eyes are make me think of Ryuk from Death Note. That's like, forever ago. That show's so old, but like the way his eyes kind of like are up and like going out in opposite directions. That's what he kind of makes me think of, just like the way his face is animated. So they did a really good job with it. But yeah, I'm like so anxious to see like what's gonna happen next. Like what they're gonna say now that power, I guess, is gone. I don't know. So it's crazy. I'm very anxious to see what's going on next, because this was really like a wild episode, because I'm like worried that Denji might get in trouble for leaving and going on this mission with her, and her potentially being gone now. Yeah, so I don't know, that was really crazy, but yeah, I just didn't expect that at all. But yeah, I really enjoyed this episode. I'm looking forward to the next one, and I will see you all next time. Have a good day. Bye.